Hey darlings, and welcome back to Everything Tumbler Tutorials with Creative Vinyl Designs. So as promised, we are going to do a spray paint ombre, and I'm using candy pink for the top. Okay, as you can see, I give a consistent spray. Hopefully you can see that, okay? And now we're gonna move on to the bottom. This is the blue. This is not the normal blue that I would use, but my husband bought the wrong paint and he said I could have it since I can utilize it. So we're just gonna get the bottom very carefully since we've already done the top. Okay, so there's the bottom. And I like to hang this upside down. I'm sorry you can't see it, I apologize. So I like to hang it upside down and then go from the bottom to the top. Consistent spray, staying far back enough that I don't get drips. Okay, now because I'm not really happy with the blue overspray, I'm gonna gently go back in right now with the pink and just tighten that up just a little bit. Excuse me guys, sorry, I'm fighting a cold. All right, just a little bit. And there you go. That's my spray paint ombre method. Because I stay back so far away, I can usually tighten up right away and not have to wait. So I'm not gonna need a second coat. And this is gonna be for a tack it ombre method. So, okay guys, there you have it. Thanks for joining me back with Everything Tumbler Tutorials with Creative Vinyl Designs. Until next time, darlings, bye.